In a deep forest, all animals, birds, and tiny insects lived together happily. Among them lived a little firefly named Jimma. Jimma was very shy and used to hide under the leaves during the day. But Jimma had a problem. Her glow was very weak. When all the other fireflies lit up the night sky like stars, Jimma's light barely showed. One day, Jimma felt very sad. She asked her grandmother, "Gran, why does my light barely glow while others shine brightly?" Her grandmother, wise and gentle, replied, "Everyone's glow is unique, dear Jimma. It's not the brightness that matters, but how you use your light." Jimma was confused but determined. She wanted to find a way to make her glow special. She ventured into the forest seeking advice from her friends. She first met Ollie the owl, who was known for his wisdom. "Ollie," Jimma started cautiously, "what should I do to make my light more noticeable?" Ollie thought deeply and said, "Perhaps it's not your glow that needs to change, but how you show it. Find what makes you happy and your light will shine brighter." Feeling hopeful, Jimma fluttered next to Bella the butterfly, who danced gracefully among flowers. Bella advised, "Try expressing yourself freely, like a dance. Your happiness will infuse brightness into your glow." Jimma pondered over the words of her friends and decided to embrace her uniqueness. That night, instead of hiding, she timidly joined the other fireflies as they danced in the air. She wasn't scared anymore. Her light was not very bright, but it was beautiful in its own special way. Nearby insects praised her courage and applauded her creativity. As she twirled and turned, to her surprise, she noticed her glow had intensified. Each movement and smile made her light grow stronger. From that moment on, Jimma knew her light didn't need to be as bright as anyone else's. It just needed to be hers. Jimma's journey was about self-acceptance and finding joy in her own light. She learned that her light was unique and that embracing herself was the key to truly shining. Many young fireflies would soon seek her advice, to which she gladly shared her tale, teaching them about the beauty of true individuality.